We will be a work of art.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now before we start this video, let's just not talk about my hair because we're not on talking terms right now. We're in a fight right now. So we're not gonna talk about her, right? We're not. But today we're going to be talking about 10 different ways to make money. So if you're a kid and you're looking for ways to make some extra coin or some extra money to add to your savings, then this video is definitely the video for you. The first way on my list is by taking surveys and watching videos that give you money. Now, I'm not really sure much on this. I haven't really done much research, or I haven't really tried this before, but I've heard it in many different places and many different people have told me that this way does work with helping you get money. So if you're looking to get money, you could try this way and see if it works. So the second way you can make some extra money or coin is by just like selling unwanted stuff, because you might have clothes in your closet or in your dresser, whatever, wherever you store your clothes, that are literally like 3 sizes short because you've had it since you were like 6. So you could just sell these clothes. Like if you're a kid, then I guess you could like ask your mom and dad to help you with this process of selling stuff online. But this is definitely a really good way to make money because we have like apps like Poshmark, eBay, Mercari. I think Mercari is a new one. I haven't really done much stuff on Mercari, but yeah, you could sell many different like items on these different apps. The third thing you could do to make some money is by participating in giveaways, and lots of YouTubers do giveaways, especially in this time. Lots of YouTubers are doing giveaways. They're giving away gift cards, they're giving away money, they're giving away cars, they're giving away many different things. So you could just test your luck. You could try like 3 giveaways at once, and then like make sure you're like looking back like to see if like they've announced the winners and stuff, and just try your luck. You never know if you can win or not. Like, you don't know. Just try it. It doesn't hurt you. Just try participating in a giveaway. You could get money, just whatever you're interested in. So another way you can make money is by downloading apps that give you money. Like, so some of these apps are not scams. Some of these apps are, but you can find like maybe some people have tested some apps. Maybe you can find it on YouTube. Maybe people tested some apps that actually give you money. So I tested especially like Sweatcoin, Fetch Rewards. I don't have Sweatcoin anymore, but they are apps like that do give you money for doing specific things. Like Fetch Rewards, the app. I'm not being sponsored by Sweatcoin, but Sweatcoin it's an app for real that actually gives you money, but it does take a lot of time to be able to get a lot of money from the Fetch Rewards app. So basically all you have to do is just scan a receipt, and then you could get like a referral code. You could get or redeem a gift card at like $3, I believe. So yeah, like you could get a $3 gift card once you get to 3,000 coins. And this is like super easy way to make money is by can and bottle recycling. So it doesn't give you a lot of money. It does not give you a lot of money for like recycling cans and bottles. But I know places like my local Stop and Shop, it has like a little machine that you could put like a soda can thing, and it gives you like 5 cents. So I know it doesn't give you a lot of money, but so this is the great time to scream in the middle of my video. Like, it's a great time. Okay, so basically, yeah, it doesn't give you a lot of money for recycling cans and bottles, but you can get a little bit of money off of it instead of just trashing the bottle. Okay, so as I was saying before I got rudely interrupted by a call, I was saying if you have the time to be able to go to a store like the local Stop and Shop or just a local store in general that has this machine, then it doesn't hurt anyone if you're able to go there and just trash your cans and get 5 cents off of it. So another way you can make money is by making a lemonade stand, but I feel like this is so obvious. This is such an obvious way to make money, but summer is coming up and we will get out of this house sooner or later. So this is definitely something to have at the back of your mind and something to do during summer, because a lot of people are looking for like really cold stuff, especially now. It's like super duper hot. I know my lighting keeps changing. Like one time it'll be like super duper dark, then it's gonna be super duper light, but it's okay because this is where it's gonna stay forever. Okay, so another thing you could do is sell stuff at school, but I know you're not at school right now because some of us are not. Sit down. Some of us are having like still indoors, like stuck indoors. So you might not sell stuff at school, but again, have this at the back of your mind. So when you resume school, okay, just sell stuff like Takis, lead pencils, stuff that people would love, like people like me, like that, like food, candy, lead pencils, supplies, basically for school. Like if you want like to sell like Takis and stuff, if your school is like addicted to Takis, that's something definitely to sell. Like maybe buy like a huge bag of like Cheetos or Takis and then put it into the little Ziploc bags and then sell it in school for like $1. Make the next thing you could do is start a t-shirt business, and I'm not really sure again much on how to do this one, but I believe that these are very very effective and these do like come out really good. So you could one way you could start a t-shirt business is by if you're like rich, then you could like look up online. There's many designs you can put on a shirt and stuff. But if you want like or a little bit like creative and stuff, and you have like tie-dye, you could like tie-dye white shirts and then sell it if it's really good. I don't know if it would work. I don't know if there's like some things that wouldn't work in that, but I feel like if you could like tie-dye a shirt and then sell it on eBay or something, then you could be able to like get money off this. If the tie-dyeing is really really good, there are really a lot of tie-dye shirts that people buy, so I don't think there would really be a difference as long as your shirt is like really good. So the ninth thing you could do is start a garden, and I don't really know much about this either, but starting a garden would be really really fun. If you have a lot of space in your backyard and you have a lot of space to be able to, you know, like plant or grow a garden, then if it's definitely a good way, if it's a way of making money, that's like a good way of making money for you, then you can definitely like try starting a garden. Research like how to grow this, how to grow that, and buy seeds, stuff like that, and you could sell it at I guess your local. I'm not really sure. I'll put like places you could sell it right here. All right, so you could sell it at that, or you could just like give it to somebody who does sell it. If you have someone, I'm not really sure. Final thing you could do to make money is by starting a YouTube channel. Now I don't want to add this, like I literally do not want to add this. I was gonna replace this thing with the garage sale, but I don't want to add this because having or getting money from YouTube is a hassle. Like getting from money from YouTube, like it's a lot. So I think unless you have like a lot of fans on a different like social media platform that can be able to come to your YouTube channel and like subscribe to you, so you could be able to, if you have like more than 1,000 or like 10,000 fans on a specific social media account, so you could be able to get 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel. I don't think that would work because unless you have like a lot of subscribers on one place, you're gonna have to start from the bottom. Like unless you have like a way from not starting from the bottom, you're gonna have to start from the bottom, like the rocks, like the bottom, and building your way all the way to the top. If nobody knows you for your YouTube channel, is gonna be so hard. And now it's just a YouTube channel, like waste things to not to think about before starting a YouTube channel. Now it's just that video, but just saying, if you want to really make money off of YouTube, you just have to be patient and you want to like really think about it. So just don't start a YouTube channel if you're not a really calm and like very a patient person. If you're not a patient person and you don't have a lot of fans from other social media accounts like like Instagram or TikTok, and you could be able to get them to subscribe to your YouTube channel, I don't think it's the best idea for you to start a YouTube channel because then you would have to start from this like rock bottom. But it is very fun to start a YouTube channel. It's definitely something you could think about. But anyways, guys, that will wrap it up for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you guys want me to make a part 2 on ways to make money as a kid, make sure to tell me down in the comments below. If you want me to do more videos like this, make sure to tell me also down in the comments below. If you guys want a specific video or you guys want me to do a specific video, make sure to tell me also down in the comments below. And I'll see you guys next week, Saturday. Bye!